Hello and welcome to this TenantCloud tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get support as well as product training right inside the TenantCloud system. Now, when you first start and create an account, you're automatically going to see a product tour that populates when you first log in. If you need to access that information again at any point, it is available on the left side menu. Simply select Product Tour. It will pick up from where you left off so that you can go and view the information that you would like to see again. This is the account avatar where you can log into multiple user accounts and easily switch between them if you manage more than one account. This could be beneficial if you have a login as both a property manager, as a main admin, and as a team member, or as a service provider, or any other type of profile that you may have a TenantCloud account for. It could also be beneficial if you are not on the business plan and you are a property manager that manages multiple portfolios for multiple owners, all using the TenantCloud system, and you prefer to have multiple TenantCloud accounts to do so. Just keep in mind that you can do that on the business plan without having to log into multiple accounts. You can simply use one login to manage multiple potentially unlimited legal entities, including potentially unlimited bank accounts. The next one is your settings. So it'll show you all of the information about the settings as well as a link to learn more about this particular section of the software. The next one is the messenger so that you can communicate with contacts and send important files, along with another link to learn more about that. And managing downloads that you have downloaded from your TenantCloud account, you can click here to view that history. And of course, our universal search bar where you can search for pretty much anything in the TenantCloud system, and your calendar to help you keep organized with tasks and other things that are happening in the near future. And last but not least, notifications, which are important things that are taking place in the system since your last login or things that are happening while you are logged into the system. And then the menu for navigating through your TenantCloud account. It continues going for another 30 points throughout the system. So it is a very thorough tutorial on helping you understand the TenantCloud system and where all of the various features are located and what each of the main buttons does in the TenantCloud system. To get help, you can click the Help Center button on the left menu, and you can see here that I do not have any support tickets in review. However, I do have multiple tickets that have been resolved. If I need to create a new support ticket, I can click Submit a Ticket, and I can say if I need support where I may have a technical issue and need help, or I can call our support team at this number. If all of our team members are unavailable, simply leave a voicemail and they will return your call in the order in which it was received. If you have an idea, you can submit a feature request, an idea, or a suggestion for improvement. And over 70% of the new releases and improvements that take place throughout every year on the TenantCloud platform are a direct result of user feedback from this Have an Idea support ticket. In this case, if you submit need support, simply click Get Started, and you can start to indicate what the issues are. And it's going to walk you step by step through these different prompts to fill in the information as it relates to the technical issue or thing that you are wanting to know more about. If none of these are applicable to the support ticket that you are submitting, you can simply select Skip and go to Continue to create a ticket. Or if you found the answer already, you can indicate that you have found the answer. Next, we'll jump back to the Help Center. And this is where you can access the Help Center via this link. Simply click Visit Help Center, and it is going to take you to our Help Center where you can select the profile type that you are using if you are a landlord, a tenant, a service pro, or owner. And it's going to pull up the Help Center articles that are applicable to that account type. In this case, as a landlord, we can enter the word lease and get information on leases, such as how do I edit a lease? It will walk you step by step through the process of whatever you are searching for, including screenshots and arrows and related articles that you can access on the right-hand side. In the event that you cannot find the answer, you also have the option to chat with one of our instant chat team members. If an icon is not available, that means that all of our chat team members are busy helping other users. However, if you see this icon on the bottom right-hand corner, that means that one of our team members is available. Simply select the icon and start your conversation with our team, and we will be happy to assist you. And that is how easy it is to get assistance and training on the TenantCloud platform. To get started for free, simply go to www.tenantcloud.com and click sign up today.